Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sisters, brothers and friends, today we are going to public this video commentary on Surah At-Tin. وَالتِّينُ وَالزَّيْتُونِ. In this verse, Allah swore by figs and olives, because there are benefits and profits in these things that indicate the power of their Creator. Lord Almighty, like figs are the most excellent fruit in which there is no waste, and it is very good, quickly digestible, more beneficial, relieves conceptions, removes and stones in the bladder. Lotions, lumps and dirty materials stuck in their liver and spill fattens the body and clears phlegm. While olive is a blessed tree, its oil is used for lighting. It is also eaten like curry, and this quality is not in any oil in the world. Its tree is born in dry mountains, in which there is no name of sign of fat, is nurtured without service and remains for thousands of years. Regarding figs, there is a hadith on the authority of Hazrat Abu Zor that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Eat figs if I say that this is the fruit that has come down from heaven. Then I can say it, because the fruit of paradise does not have a seed. Eat it because it removes harmonious and is beneficial in Qadri brain." And in another place, Allah Almighty said about olives, "And we caused the tree to grow like that which springs from Mount Sinai, bearing oil and curry for the eaters." And on the authority of Hazrat Masood bin Jabal, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The syrup of the blessed olive trees is very good because it makes the mouth forget and removes its bad smell. This is my miswak, and that of the prophets before me, peace and blessing be upon him. It is mountain on which Allah honored Hazrat Musa to speak with him, and Sinai in the name of the place where this mountain is located in, and Sinai is the reason for its happy sight of blessing according to some commentators. To Sinai means a beautiful mountain or aspects mountains, and according to some commentators, very mountain. Every mountain where there are many fruit trees is called Turesina. From this, it is known that the place and the place that gets a relationship with the popular servants of Allah Almighty, that place also become great in the sight of Allah Almighty. That's why this peaceful city of Makkah, Imam Abdullah bin Ahmad Nasfi says, by swearing by figs, olives, Mount Sinai and Makkah, the greatness and dignity of these blessed places was revealed, and the prophets made the blessing and peace of Allah be upon him, and place of Allah the goodness and blessing manifested due to staying on it become clear, so that the place where figs and olives grow in the place of migration of Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and the birth and upbringing of Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, is also in the same place where Hazrat Musa, peace be upon him, was called, and the crowned Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Makkah. In the named city, peace and blessing be upon him, and peace be upon him, announced his prophethood and prophethood and said in the three quarters of the Kaaba, towards which the Muslims of the entire city offer their prayers. So friends, this is end of commentary of Surah At-Tin. Allah Almighty give us permission to go right way and give permission to read Quran, Hadith and tafseer. Ameen. Allah Hafiz.